He was the disciple who once denied Jesus, but became the man who chose to die for him. His name was Simon Peter, the rock who stood unshaken till the end. Peter once denied Jesus 3 times, but later died proving his love for him. Peter, once a fisherman, became a fearless preacher of Christ. He spent his final years spreading the gospel across Jerusalem and even Rome. But his bold faith angered the Roman Emperor Nero, who blamed Christians for the Great Fire of Rome. Peter was arrested, brutally beaten, and condemned to die on a cross just like his Lord. But when the moment came, Peter said, "I am not worthy to die in the same way as Jesus." So, they crucified him upside down. He chose humiliation over honor, dying in unimaginable pain but with an unshakable faith. Peter's death wasn't a defeat, it was the ultimate act of devotion. He began in fear, but he finished in faith. Peter's story reminds us that failure is never the end when you return to Jesus. Share this if you choose faith over fear, and follow the Beatz Breaker for more biblical truths that will strengthen your spirit.